Okay, so the Home tab formats your data. The Insert tab, that's where you actually build things. Charts, tables, pictures, links. Basically, if it sits on top of your sheet, it came from here. Let me walk you through all 7 groups. Here's the whole tab in one look. Tables, illustrations, charts, sparklines, filters, links and comments, and text and symbols. 7 groups. And honestly, once you know which group does what, you stop hunting through the ribbon. Group 1. Tables. PivotTable summarizes thousands of rows in seconds. Recommended PivotTables just picks the layout for you. And Table, Ctrl-T, turns a plain range into a real filterable table. Group 2. Illustrations. Pictures from your device. Shapes for arrows and callouts. Icons, thousands of clean ones built in. SmartArt for diagrams. Screenshot grabs any open window, and 3D models you can actually rotate on the sheet. Group 3, Charts, the big one. Not sure which type to use? Recommended Charts decides for you. Column and bar to compare, line for trends, pie for parts of a whole, scatter for relationships, maps by country, and PivotChart, which filters right along with your pivot table. Group 4, Sparklines. These are tiny charts that live inside one single cell. A line for the trend, columns for each row, or win-loss, which just shows up or down. Perfect when you've got no room for a real chart. Then Group 5, Filters. A slicer gives your reader big clickable buttons instead of a drop-down, and a timeline lets you drag across dates to filter a pivot table. Both look great in a dashboard. Group 6, Links and Comments. Ctrl-K inserts a link to a cell, another sheet, a file, or a website. Comments let your team leave threaded notes on any cell. And Get Add-ins pulls extra tools straight from the store. Group 7, Text and Symbols. A text box floats text anywhere. Header and footer adds titles and page numbers when you print. WordArt for a cover sheet. A signature line to sign off. Object embeds a PDF for a Word file. And equation and symbol for maths notation and currency signs. Now the shortcuts. Ctrl-T, create a table. F11, chart on a new sheet. Alt-F1, chart right beside your data. Ctrl-K for a link. Alt-NV, pivot table. Alt-NP, picture. Alt-NU, symbol. So, 4 things to remember. Build the table first. Press Ctrl-T. Then every chart you make grows with your data automatically. Let Excel suggest the chart type. It's usually right. Use Sparklines when space is tight. And give your reader slicers, not filter menus. Home formats it. Insert builds it. Which tab should I cover next? Tell me in the comments, and follow AR All Tips for more.